Hi friends, today we're going to be talking about verbal expressions and how we can turn those into algebraic expressions. So taking what we hear with our ears and being able to write that basically into a math problem. All right, so let's look at this one right here. Okay, this is telling me it wants me to take a number and plus 4. So we don't know what number that is. So that's where we use variables. So those letters, those tricky letters come in. So I'm going to use X, and it says a number plus, so plus, and then 7. Okay, so a number plus 7 is X plus 7 written out algebraically. Looking at number 5, a number decreased by 3. So I'm going to take a number, which I don't know, so I'm going to mark it as an X, and it's going to be decreased by 3. Okay, so it's taking this, what is being said here, and being able to write it in a way that it can be solved. 18 less than a number. Let's use X again. So 18 less a number. So I would take a number, and I put that in quotes, so that number we don't know, we're marking it as a variable, and we are taking away 18 because of that term we heard less. Okay, keep going down here to number 7. We see the term product right here. Okay, product, that's going to mean multiplying. So you multiply when you hear the term product. Okay, the product of a number, so let's use X again, and 5. So we could say X times 5, or this could also be written as 5X, because this 5 in front, that is called a coefficient. And that is telling you how many times to multiply by this number. Okay, I don't want you to get it confused with exponents, where it would be written like that. Okay, so X to the 5th power, because this is telling you how many times to multiply this variable by itself. So this means X times X times X times X times X. Okay, 5X means 5 times X. Okay, so there's a huge difference between those two. Okay, so you can, when we're talking about product, you can use this as a coefficient. But know that that is just saying 5 times whatever this number is. Where your exponent is telling you, that 5 is telling you how many times to multiply this X by itself. Just like up here. All right, and then last we have the difference of a number and 9. So we hear the term difference, so we think again, subtraction, right? Difference meaning try to find the difference between the two. Okay, so I would say X minus 9.